Chairman, yung barangay certification is not not a requirement anymore.
Hindi na po namin siya tatanggapin as a proof of identification.
Okay.
Dati po kasi napuwersa kami nung kaso nung Sabili versus Comelec. So in-include po muli namin. Eh kaya po inabuso eh. Ang iba nahihiraman. Porket walang kalaban dito, pahiram muna ng mga botante mo. Dito ko muna i-register. Bago ko na lang ibalik. May mga ganun po, madami lalo sa probinsya. Massive po yun. So yun po ang nakita nilang panibagong paraan. Kasi nga po, nakalagay sa rules na pwede ang barangay certification, pwede nang ma-register. Wala namang po magawa yung local Comelec namin dahil barangay certification po ang pinapakita. Ngayon po, dapat government-issued ID na lang. So sabi namin, if they want to go to the Supreme Court once again and question why we excluded barangay certifications, and so be it. Lucky for us, ito pong August 1 to 10 na nagpa-register kami, Mr. Chair, wala pong pumunta sa Supreme Court and question why we remove barangay certification para pumaputol na once and for all yung irregularity na yon.
May nakasuhan ba tayo ng mga punong barangays? Because if they are abusing it, I heard in one story, Senator JV, may kandidato for mayor, kapatid niya yung kapitan. So yung kapatid niya issue ng barangay certification. I heard one story like that eh. May mga nakasuhan ba tayo ng mga abusive barangay captains?
Yung pong lahat ng findings po ng aming special task force, which included likewise the city of San Juan dun eh. Pati po ang Ormoc Leyte, Makati City, ang Cagayan de Oro City. Pinoward po lahat namin sa DILG because syempre po sila yung may jurisdiction when it comes to administrative sanction as against the barangay officials. We were informed na sabi po nila, nag-initiate na sila during the hearing po ng Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms kay Senator Amy at that time na nag-initiate na po sila ng mga cases against these barangay officials. In our case, we are now initiating po yung mga election offense naman po laban sa mga barangay officials na yan. Sapagkat, hindi naman po libre ang barangay certification. May bayad yun. Kung 9,000 ang pinaregister mo, bakit walang pumasok na pera sa iyong barangay? Ibig sabihin, nilibre mo lahat. So doon pa lang po, medyo that's an evidence already na talagang yung pag-i-issue ng massiveness ng barangay certification ay political at hindi for whatever purpose.
Sir, Mr. Chair, thank you for, Chairman George, thank you for that action. No? At least malaking bagay po yun na talagang very easy talaga ito, and prone to abuse talaga yung pag-issue. Magandang bagay, malaking bagay na talagang you will use the government-issued IDs. I think malaking may eliminate natin yung mga maki-cleanse natin yung mga flying voters. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.